In our coverage with regard to the dengue cases now, a rare case of the black fungus has emerged in Delhi. A 49-year-old man admitted in a hospital in Delhi had a complaint with regard to black fungus, but that after he recovered from dengue. What is the connection? Take a look.
Brings down your blood platelet count and feels like it breaks your bones. But that is not the only fallout of dengue. As dengue cases in Delhi cross the 5,000 mark, a case of dengue mucormycosis has been seen in the national capital. A 49-year-old patient in Apollo Hospital has been diagnosed with the infection 15 days after recovery from dengue.
Patient came to Apollo with history of loss of vision. When a detailed history was taken, patient had dengue fever 2-3 weeks ago. And other than this, patient didn't have any past history of diabetes or any immune-related diseases. On investigation and biopsy, patient found to have mucormycosis. Mucormycosis post-dengue is the rarest of the rare disease.
During the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic, earlier this year, a large number of black fungus cases or mucormycosis was reported. This was seen mostly in COVID-19 patients suffering from chronic diabetes. Black fungus in dengue patients, doctors say, is rare.
As mucor is a opportunistic infection, it can occur in any illness or any fever where the immune system of the patient is compromised. It can lead to aggravation of symptoms or worsening of the symptoms when the immune status of person becomes weak, which can be due to infection, due to diabetes, medication, or a lengthy or prolonged illness.
Medical experts say that patients who have recovered from dengue should be extremely cautious and vigilant, must consult the doctor immediately if any new symptoms develop. The only way to in fact keep mucormycosis or black fungus at bay is to boost your immunity. Right now there is no vaccine against black fungus, and the only way to prevent is to also keep your environment fungus free. In New Delhi, Sneha Moldani for India Today.